How to unpause location sharing on Life360. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll guide you on how you can unpause your location sharing on Life360 app, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to unpause your location sharing on the Life360 app, all you have to do is simply, first of all, make sure that you have enabled location permissions on your device itself. Once you've made sure of that, what you want to do is simply open the Life360 application here. Then what you want to do is you're going to see this type of interface where you need to tap the gear icon located at the top left hand side of the screen. If you've happened to pause your location before and now if you'd like to unpause it, just go to this option known as location sharing, and if you've turned it off, most likely this toggle right over here next to your location sharing would have been turned off by default. And if you'd like to enable it or unpause it, just turn it on like this, turn on the toggle, it's going to turn purple after this. After this, your location sharing will be successfully unpaused and other people in the circles or the members will be able to view your location. This way you can unpause your location sharing on Life360 app. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.